I actually much prefer trading when we're not super tied to just what people are saying. Like there's a period of time where it's like everyone was just focused on CPI and FOMC, and God forbid, what did they say? But the macro moves in the market, right? A big ship turns really slow. So a lot of these like little low time frame price movements that are based on just what Trump might say on TV, just like CPI and stuff. Could you tell me on the chart what days CPI were and FOMC announcements were? Now that you look at it zoomed out, probably not. But in the moment, it seems crazy, right? So let's just look at the higher time frames and let's be objective. Now, one thing we want to watch, obviously, is this potential weekly closure here. We've swept out this weekly high. The last time we kind of did that at tops, it wasn't a great result. So that is something to pay attention to. Are we going to, why would you not do what I want you to do now? I don't understand. How did this one work and the other ones didn't? Interesting. Usually, does this not work on max? I'm holding shift just to try and make it straight, but whatever. Okay, we're just raw dogging it, I guess. We gotta watch for a potential SFP here, and I'm sure that's something a lot of people who are bearish are gonna post. But guess what? If we do close this week as an SFP, I do think that's a cause for concern. Okay, what else do we wanna? What is going on with my trading view right now? Nothing is, the keyboard is not working as it should. Oh, I know why. It's not even plugged in. Mayne, the technology god. If we sweep this out, close as an SFP, sure, maybe we take some shorts back into the lows here. But really what I see here is just a range. So we're attacking this potential daily SFP quite aggressively right now. A lot of people probably shorted this, they're trapped, we're running them out right now, but really what you want to see here is this level get reclaimed and held above. If we hold above this level, I think we leg up to 120. If we come up here and just sweep this again and then close back below here, that might be a sign that we are going to get a deeper correction and maybe we're going to come back and retest the range lows here. But I'm just treating this range the same as this prior one here, right? So yeah, we had moves to the range high, we had moves back to the range low, range high, range low, sideways, sideways, eventually up. So maybe this is a short consolidation and we're ready to charge higher towards 120. This is the level to watch in my opinion. We start getting some closes above here. It looks good for higher. If we come up and take out this high, which is just taking out anyone who was shorting yesterday and then pull back, then that might be a sign that we're going back to the low 90,000s. Maybe we come into here, sweep out this low and bounce, or worst case scenario, we come back to the range lows here. But for now, it looks pretty good. So let's wait and see. I don't really have a trigger here on Bitcoin. There's no long right here in my opinion. We're looking at a 5% daily candle. You just gotta sit and wait. So let's see how things look over the next coming days. Do we get above 108? Good chance we're gonna go up to 120. Do we reject up here? Good chance we then retest 100 and maybe sweep out this low. And then we see, lose that, it's all the way back down to 95, 96. And I don't really think this low should get taken out. Like as low as we should go, in my opinion, is back down here if we get some sort of big correction. But I would much rather see just up from here, or worst case, sweep out this low and then go. But for now, we're chilling, we're just watching, nothing to do here, okay?